Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to disable automatic updates on Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. This is particularly useful if you prefer to control when updates happen or if you're working on time-sensitive projects and don't want interruptions from unexpected software updates. First, open Adobe Acrobat on your computer and log in using your credentials. Make sure you're fully logged in before proceeding, as you'll need access to the main interface to adjust these settings. Once you're in, you'll see the full Adobe Acrobat workspace ready for customization. Now look toward the upper left panel of your screen. Here you'll find the menu option. Click on Menu to reveal a drop-down list of various settings and features available in Adobe Acrobat. From this drop-down, select Preferences. This is the central hub where you can customize how Adobe Acrobat behaves and operates on your system. Once you've clicked on Preferences, a new window will open displaying multiple categories on the left side. Scroll through this left panel until you locate Updater. Click on Updater to access all the settings related to how Adobe Acrobat handles software updates. This section gives you full control over the update process, allowing you to decide whether updates should happen automatically or if you'd prefer to manage them manually. In the Updater settings, you'll see an option labeled Automatically Install Updates. This is the key setting that controls whether Adobe Acrobat downloads and installs updates without asking for your permission. To disable this feature, simply uncheck the box beside it. By unchecking this box, you're telling Adobe Acrobat that you want to be in control of when updates are installed, rather than having them happen automatically in the background. Finally, click OK to save your changes and close the Preferences window. Your settings are now applied, and Adobe Acrobat will no longer automatically install updates. Instead, you'll be notified when updates are available, and you can choose when to install them based on your schedule and needs. And that's it. You've successfully disabled automatic updates on Adobe Acrobat Pro DC, giving you more control over your software environment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.